Furitek continues to expand the functionality of its integrated ESCs. Now we've got the Python integration with the Flysky GT5 radio. Now integrating the brushless system with the stock radio is easy and convenient, but upgrading your radio to a GT5, or if you already have a Flysky GT5, it's going to open up a whole lot more functionality. I love the GT5. This is one of my favorite transmitters, one of my go-to radios, so I'm super pumped that the integration now works with this radio. We're going to do a quick demonstration. I'm going to take our Redcat Ascent 18 here. We're going to throw the new Python with the integration on it. I'll show you how to hook it up, and then we'll run it just to have some fun. This should be a real simple swap here. See, I've got the Furitek micro receiver here on the slider that hooks up to the stock radio, but we're just going to replace that. Here's the Python here. We've seen this before, and I'll open this up and show you anyway. So this is actually a different unit than the torpedo setup that I had before. So you can see the Python here that's on the slider, much different than this one. This is like the Python RXF that we've reviewed in previous videos on the channel, which I'll link down below. And the Python RXF has a little bit of a different design. Overall footprint on this, nearly identical to the Python. It just has a solid rectangular look because of the way that the case is designed here. We've got a small external antenna here. We've also got an external power switch that is detachable. If you want to unplug that, you can. The benefits of that is that you can put this receiver combo anywhere on the build that you want, and then you can run your power switch somewhere where it's convenient, so you don't have to open your body up to access the power switch. This is the torpedo kit that comes with the Cedar Outrunner brushless motor. Love that motor. It's the same one that we have in here currently. The kit also comes with a variety of different connectors. We've got battery connectors for the PH 2.0 for SCX24 style. Looks like we've got a Traxxas style connector. We've got the JST connector for the Redcat battery. The Python RXF, very powerful ESC and receiver combo here, capable of up to 4S on this thing, fully waterproof design, and able to run big output to your servos, able to put out 8.4 volts, so very powerful setup here. So the setup on this is going to be super simple because we've now done away with the need for the other piece of electronics here. So we've just got the RXF, which is going to combine our receiver and our ESC in one. I'm just going to throw this on. I guess you could do either side. Plug our motor in. Your servo inputs, Furitek supplies these 3-pin connector adapters. And there's the diagram on the top of the Python here. It's going to tell you what your channels are. This would be an ideal opportunity to relocate the battery to the other slider to balance this thing out. I might do that in the future. All right, I've got a little Ovonic battery here with the PH 2.0 connector, so I'm going to use that for my battery. Okay, now let's see if we can bind this thing up here. Just like that. Wow. So all I did was just utilizing the bind function on the GT5 radio here. It grabbed right a hold of it with no issues whatsoever. Super slick. Look at that. Man, that was easy. I just love this space savings here. Now I can really open this up. Like I said, I think I will relocate the battery there. It'd be a nice way to drop the weight down low and centered on this thing. Very cool. That was slick. Right, here we are out with the integrated Redcat Ascent on the Flysky GT5. Great setup from Furitek here. I did go into the Furicar app. This does have the integrated Bluetooth, so I upgraded my voltage to my servo, running the 8.4 volts. Also increased the drag brake, so you get all of that functionality as well. So the benefits of the GT5 is you just get more functionality with the radio. There's the Expo function. If you wanted to put 4-wheel steer, it has the crawl mode on it. It's just a more versatile, powerful radio. And the additional channels, like I mentioned, to give you more functionality for accessories. Super easy installation. The whole thing took about 5 minutes. Granted, I did have the brushless motor already installed, but again, that's pretty slick as well. So very much plug and play with this setup. The whole thing shouldn't take you much more than 20 or 30 minutes to swap out all of your electronics binding it up to the remote was intuitive, no issues whatsoever. Again, so overall just a very cool, seamless integration here. And if you were coming from a stock setup, this would be a huge upgrade. The Python RXF combo performed flawlessly. The integration with the Flysky GT5 is seamless and simple. This also can connect to the Radiomaster MT12 if you have the 4-in-1 version. I have the ELRS model, which is why I couldn't demonstrate it for you today, but if you have the 4-in-1 Radiomaster, it will work with that as well. So the functionality and the great power output and control you get from the Furitek Python RXF make this a compelling upgrade. You are going to pay for that convenience and performance, as the cost of entry for the Python RXF with the Flysky integration is $139.99, and if you want to get the full torpedo kit like we looked at today, it is $169.99. Both of those are available from Furitek. I will put the link in the description down below if you want to check them out. And guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. What do you think of these Furitek integration systems that we got here? And as always, I appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you in the next video.